Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and welcome to February. Because February is the month of Valentine's Day, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to really look deep into red heart yarn patterns. Today we are going to talk about red heart patterns number 4, which is bags, and I'm so excited about this one. I've really been looking forward to it. So I have 7 ideas here for you, and the first one we're going to start out with is called the Red Heart Riga Bag or Riga Bag. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm going to say Riga Bag because that just makes sense to me. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this pattern from Yarnspirations. Most of these patterns are from Yarnspirations, and I will say they're all free. At least I believe they're all free. I haven't seen any yet that weren't free. So this bag is considered an easy pattern, and it looks adorable when you can see it. So let's change this picture here. There we go. I love this bag. It looks like it's so nice and big and like you could put a lot of stuff in it. I really like it a lot. I am curious what kind of yarn they are using. So I'm going to go ahead and actually open up the pattern. The thing that I find with crochet bags, however, is that they tend to stretch, and that bothers me a little bit. And I'm always a little bit leery of making the bags because I'm afraid they're going to get all stretched out. So let's see what they're using here. They're using Red Heart Vera yarn. I'm not sure what kind of yarn that is, what kind of fiber is being used. Now, for me personally, I would hope it's like cotton, something that's not going to stretch as much because acrylic is gonna stretch. So I'm not really finding too much in the way of what the yarn is. Regardless, though, I love the look of this bag. I love that it's so nice and big. You could really put a lot in there. You could really put a lot of yarn in there. You could really put a lot of yarn coupons in there. All kinds of stuff. Okay, let's go on to the next bag. So this one's really cute. This is called the Red Heart Easy Split Tote. And I like this. It's got a really long strap to it. It's almost long like a crossbody bag, or maybe even like a messenger bag. Let's take a look. So this is actually made with scrubby smoothie yarn. Okay, she's a very nice model, but I want to see a closer up picture. Let's take a look. I really love this. I'm going to try to zoom in here so that we can see the detail there. I love that two-tone right in the middle, that nice little stripe. Really cute. And I do love those big handles too. They almost look like a cord. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is really, really cute. Let's take a look closer up to see where those handles fit in. It almost looks like they're attached on the inside, doesn't it? Yeah, that's really, really cute. So again, just like always, this is a free pattern that you can download from Yarnspirations, and the skill level is easy. Okay, let's move on to our next pattern. The next one is absolutely gorgeous. This is not one of your easier patterns. Okay, this is probably going to be an intermediate pattern, and it is beautiful. Those of you who watch my channel very much, you know that I really, really love lots and lots of color, and this definitely packs in the color. Okay, so this bag uses Red Heart Super Saver Ogo, which they're really pushing a lot of patterns with the Ogo, I've noticed while doing my research for this. But I do love the colors. This is considered an intermediate level crochet pattern, and I can definitely see why. Lots and lots of color changes there. but I do love the look of it. Okay, the next bag is called the Fat Bag, which I think is so funny. I just think that's a super funny name. The Fat Bag. Pretty hot and tempting. Is that what we're saying here with this fat? It's really cute. I love this bag. I really love the little curly cues that are on the bag. And curly cues are really easy to make. I actually have a video to how to make those little curly cues that you see right here in the middle. I'm just going to go ahead and open up to the website because sometimes we get to see better pictures. This is considered an easy level crochet pattern. So if you are a beginner, this might be a very good one for you to try out. Going to give it another second here to download and give us that full picture. There we go. Isn't that adorable? So cute. Looks like it just uses double crochet stitches, really. And of course those curly cue patterns. I think what really makes this bag just pop is just the color changes. They used burgundy, gold, and coffee. Doesn't say what color that blue is, but some sort of blue. Yeah, I don't see it. Anyway, super duper cute. I love that bag. All right, our next bag is the Boxy Bento Bag. And this again is another super easy pattern. I almost said super free. They're all super free. But this is an easy pattern. I want to say it's basically just the 3 squares and then you put them together in such a way that makes this bag come together. And look at this, you even tie the little straps together in a knot to make the handle. You really can get much simpler than this bag. And it's so cute. I really like it. You know what it makes me think of? It makes me think of a fortune cookie. That's what I think of when I see this bag. Really, really cute. Very easy to make, I'm sure. All right, let's go with the new bag. Okay, this looks like a market bag to me. Crochet Save the Earth bag. So I love this. Another red heart pattern. Probably going to be using cotton yarn on this, I'm guessing. But let's take a look and see if it says. Yes, okay, so this is made with Red Heart Echo Cotton Blend. This is listed as an easy level crochet project, and it's ideal for a trip to the market or any other kind of carrying needs. Of course, you wouldn't want to carry anything too small that would fall through the mesh, but certainly perfect for vegetables and fruits, you know, like you would get at the farmer's market. Really cute. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, let's move on. We have one bag left in today's video, and I want to say this is my favorite. I really love this a lot, probably because I love those colors a lot. This is the Red Heart striped tote bag, and this just screams beach to me. Like when I see this, it just makes me want to go to the beach. I just want to put a pair of flip-flops in this bag and a bottle of sunblock and maybe a book and go to the beach. And I'm really not even like crazy beach lover. Like my kind of beach is like a rocky beach. I'm not really into the sand so much, but this bag's adorable. Adorable. So the skill level on here is again listed as easy. Most of these projects today are very easy. There's just I think the one that was intermediate, maybe 2. But yeah, this super easy free pattern. And you could, of course, make this your own by changing up the colors and doing it however you want. So Absolutely loving that one as well. So every one of these bags really just knocked it out of the park for me today. And again, these patterns are all free. You can certainly click on the link below and you will be directed right to this Pinterest board, and I do have the Pinterest board breaking down into days. So this is day number 4. Very easy to find these, and when you click on them, it is a direct link right to the pattern. You don't need to worry about falling down anybody's rabbit hole of a blog and getting inundated with ads and broken links. This is going to take you exactly where you need to go to make these great projects. And again, they're free. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it for today. I will see you tomorrow with some more great Red Heart free pattern ideas. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.